Here are some tips for recording with the glasses. First, remember we want the person who knows the process the best to record. We're not looking for the most articulate person or even the person with the best voice. Now, if you have all of that in one person, that's great. But remember, we can always go back and add voiceovers and use other editing tools. But what's really important is making sure the person who has the tribal knowledge needed and knows the process the best records the videos. Second, if you are recording something on a screen or a sheet of paper, please look at it for 2 seconds like this before moving on. If it needs to be shown longer in editing, we can always just go back and add that in. But please make sure to go ahead and have it on the screen or the sheet of paper for 2 seconds. So 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, and then feel free to move on. Last, try to keep your head as steady as possible. This is not mandatory. I repeat, not mandatory. You'll be surprised how shaky videos can still make great video work instructions. However, if you can keep your head steady, it would be a great bonus. So listen, we don't want you to feel like you have to be like a robot. However, keep in mind that wherever your eyes wander to with the glasses, it's going to record that. So if while you're doing your processes, you can just make sure you kind of keep everything in a very natural and constant movement, you'll be just fine. Make sure to check out the additional videos on how to change out the frames, tilt the camera, and more on our frequently asked questions page on virtualqe.com.